everyone. Imagine living in a world where humility is seen as a superpower rather than a sign of weakness. Today, I'm diving into why humility is the secret sauce to success and fulfillment. Humility isn't about thinking less of yourself, it's about thinking of yourself less. When you acknowledge your limitations and embrace self-improvement, you open the door to endless growth opportunities. Humble people maintain a balanced view of their strengths and weaknesses, fostering a sense of equality and connection with others. But how does humility translate to success? For starters, humble individuals exhibit greater self-control. This self-discipline is key to managing stress and achieving your goals. Stronger relationships are another perk. Humility fosters generosity, helpfulness, and gratitude, enhancing both personal and professional connections. Humble leaders, for example, inspire trust and encourage collaboration by valuing others' ideas. And let's talk about mental health. Humility helps us cope with anxiety, including existential concerns. It promotes resilience, making us better equipped to handle life's ups and downs. Studies even show that humble people perform better at work. They're more open to learning and collaboration, boosting their effectiveness and creativity. Now let's connect the dots between humility and generosity. True generosity means giving without expecting anything in return. This selfless act not only benefits the receiver, but also enriches the giver's life. A Harvard study found that giving money to someone else increased participants' happiness more than spending it on themselves. And get this, volunteering can actually extend your lifespan. Research from UC Berkeley revealed that elderly volunteers had a 44% lower mortality rate over 5 years compared to non-volunteers. Giving back can also counter depression, doubling the chances of success for people in addiction recovery. So, how can you practice humility and generosity in your daily life? Start small. Perform acts of kindness without expecting anything in return. Remember, when we spread kindness, we inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of positivity. To wrap it up, humility and generosity can profoundly enrich our lives and make the world a kinder place. So let's embrace these virtues and make a difference, one humble act at a time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Catch you in the next one.